ng paglipat po ni Mayor Chavit sa inyo, ano po ang talks doon, SP? Paano po nauwi sa gano'n?
Actually, hindi siya lumipat. He joined. I do not recall him being a member of any national political party. He is a founder and member of his local political party in Ilocos Sur. Yun ang pagkakaalam ko. So I don't recall him being a member of any political party. As a matter of fact, noong 2007 tumakbo siya sa Senado, alam ko, independent yung pinayo niya. Nevertheless, that's probably beside the point. Basta sa akin, he did not transfer. He joined the Nationalist People's Coalition. Ngayon, siguro I'd say about two months ago siguro, he visited the Senate. Kahit na merong mga protocols, he followed the protocols. He visited us. And he talked to me and Senator Lacson also. Meron kaming, humingi ng appointment sa akin para kay Senator Lacson. So I set it up, then we talked. It wasn't about politics. It was about something else. I'm not sure now what it was about. It was a private thing. And then, during that time that we talked, there was one instance, I recall, ito recollection ko lang. There was one instance that he was asking me kung ano plano ko. And I said, wala pa. Inukonsulta ko pa yung partido. Ikaw ba, yung partido nyo? Something like, sabi niya na, wala naman siyang national party. Parang ganun eh. O ikaw, welcome ka sa NPC pagka gusto mo. Sabi ko. That was a few months back. Wala na. Hindi na kami nakapag-usap. Then, when was this oath-taking niya? Saturday, no? Wednesday evening, he called me. All of a sudden, he called. Bagay, tatawagan naman kami talaga. Pero that call, that Wednesday evening, ang banat niya sa akin, pare, sabi niya, libre ka ba bukas? Naku, sabi ko, hindi ata. Sabi ko, bakit? Ano meron? Sabi niya, hindi, susumpa na ako sa'yo. Oh, talaga? Sabi ko, sa NPC. Oo, sabi niya. Teka, hindi ako pwede bukas. Sabi ko, sa Friday, sabi ko, Friday. Sabi niya, hindi, asa na siya ako pagbalik ko. O Saturday, sabi ko, Saturday ng umaga para ma-inform ko rin yung mga opisyal namin ng NPC para ma-greet ka. And then he agreed. Sige, Saturday, 9 a.m. Ayun. Di ko alam kung paano nalaman ni Bob ni Bob Gonzales.
Matinik, sir.
Biglang nagpapaalam ng Saturday morning kung pwede raw pumasok doon. Siyempre, sabihin ko, oo. Anyway, yun. So he came over. I informed the secretariat of the Nationalist People's Coalition. Dong Mendoza, who is the Secretary General of the House of Representatives, was there. And Gigi Agabao, our former officers also of the NPC. Later on, Charlie Gowanko arrived. There were a few other members of the NPC that were there. I could not recall. Ganun. So,
okay.
We welcome him, and as I said, he's definitely an asset to any political party.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.